So thank you for all of you guys for stepping forward and volunteering, because what you might not realize is how much of a difference right this moment of you sharing your stories is making a difference to all these other women that are at home that maybe don't know how to come out of the cracks or aren't ready to, or still in the place of everything that you guys have shared, how long it took to make the journey in, right? And maybe just getting people to be more comfortable taking that first step. And I stand for when I meet people and I say, hey, if you want to meet any of our female clients and talk to them, and often they're still too shy to do so. So this is what we're doing right now. And I just really want to share my gratitude for you guys to do this for them, because it's bold and it's brave and it's a journey, and you guys have made it to this place of being able to make a difference for other people's lives as well. Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you.
And here's to the rest of our life together.
Yay.